29 of Austin Fowler, the rookie driver here in the Sportsman division. Outside of him is a gremlin, Josh Lundy. Inside row 2 is going to be the 42, Adam Cartwright. Outside of Adam Cartwright, making his first appearance at the Rockford Speedway, that's the 21, the station wagon, Cody Hauswert. Inside row 3, that's shades of Joe Shear, and that 36 car, that's Howie Ware. Outside of him is the 24 of Zach Sishon, and back there by himself is the 109 of David Lignell. Here they come! Green flag, and we're racing! You got also Zach Sishon in the 24, a rookie as well. So 3 rookies, David Lignell in the 109, and the other rookie just about got into it, as Austin Fowler and Josh Lundy want this win in the early lead. It's going to be Lundy off to the races to try to get out front. Austin Fowler says, no way, I'm not going to let you go that easy. Here comes Cody Hauswert. We saw the outside lane being fast the last race. Let's see how it does this time. Austin Fowler holding his line, good driving there. As these drivers here getting used to their car, getting a feel for them. First race out for them in a while. So it looks like that outside lane is going to be a little bit faster. Austin Fowler dropped back. Cody Hauswert going to take advantage of it. And so is Howie Ware and now Adam Cartwright. Austin Fowler just wanted to get in that outside lane. As Howie Ware is starting to look to the inside of Cody Hauswert. Our Sportsman heat race is going to be 8 laps long. We are now halfway through. So your leader, Josh Lundy, Cody Hauswert, and Howie Ware are your top 3 drivers. As Josh Lundy, now it's Cody Hauswert there. It looked like Howie Ware was going to challenge him. Something got interesting there in turns 1 and 2. Let's see what happens here now. And Cody Hauswert starting to look to the inside of Josh Lundy. They're going to take the white flag this time by Rockford Speedway. Who's going to win this race? These top 4 cars are all in it. Anything can happen. Cody Hauswert and Howie Ware look like they made a little contact there coming out of turn 2. Everything's good though. Here comes Cody Hauswert. He's going to try to the inside again. Will he get him? No way. Josh Lundy gets the win. Followed by Hauswert for 2nd, Howie Ware for 3rd in that Joe Shear looking car. Adam Cartwright for 4th. 5th place, Austin Fowler. 6th place, the 24, Zach Sishon. And 7th place, David Lignell in the 109. The 109 car, first time out at the Rockford Speedway this year. I'm glad to see David Lignell returning to his roots here to race. Driver bringing it around once again. This is the one-man racing team. He does it all. Lundy Racing, also known as Evil Knievel. This guy is this crew chief. He's the driver. He's the wheel man. He's the tire guy. He's the fuel guy. He's the one and only guy. He's the gremlin. Make some noise for him as he's going to get out of his car here in a minute. Great battle between him and Cody Hauswert and Howie Ware. Here he is, Rockford Speedway. It's Josh Lundy.